Hello everyone, welcome to General Chemistry 1. In this experiment we going to perform two parts. The first one is the chemical reactions, and then the second part is the stoichiometry. So here we have two solutions with the same concentrations. The first one on the right here is the 1 molarity HCl, and I put some in the small beakers, and this is the right way to do it. You pour the solution in the small beakers, you use it, and then the excess you dispose it. You don't put it back into the original bottle. That's to avoid the contaminations. And you do the same for sodium hydroxide. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm measuring 10 ml, and graduate cylinder, the small one, is the best one to go. Now you can pour in the solutions, and so it go faster. And then when it get close to 10 ml, okay, you use the pipette to fine tune it to 10 ml. All right, so I'm adding slowly. And remember to read the bottom of the meniscus. Okay, so I think we could use another drop. And don't forget to have put the gloves on if you sensitive to acid and bases. And then put goggles on, of course, right? And lab coat. Okay. All right, that's pretty good, 10 ml. And you can see here. Okay, hopefully you can see it's 10 ml. That's the acid. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the acid in the beaker. That's 10 ml, and I want you to look at the temperature. Okay. That's the temperature of the acid. Okay, and temperature of the acid. Okay, and I want you to estimate and record that, okay, to your best judgments. Okay. Now, temperature of the base is also the same. Okay. They both at room temperature. Now we're gonna get the 10 ml of the base, sodium hydroxide, 10 ml. And notice that we want to use a separate pipette. Plastic pipette. These are disposable, but you can rinse it off and reuse it. Okay, it's good to recycle everything. And you use a separate pipette, so no contaminations. And this is the best way to do, in my opinion. We could use another few drops. There, and remember, it's always read the bottom of the meniscus, not the top. Okay, so it looks like it's over 10, but it's actually 10. Okay, actually 10. Okay, so watch now, temperature. Okay, you guys watch the temperature. 20. Okay, about 20 something, but I'll let you make the final adjustments. Okay, final adjustments. So as soon as I mix them in, you don't see much happening. Okay, so all clear, but except you watch the temperature. You guys see the temperature creeping up a little bit, you know? There, okay. It passed the midpoint, right? The midpoint is 25. It looked like it creeped up nicely, right? And that should be good. You know, reaction will be completed by now. Okay? Yeah, the temperature is dropping back now. Okay, so it was, I would say, you know, I'll let you guys make that decisions. Okay, make that adjustments. That's your part. Cool. All right, so that's temperature increase, indicates some sort of reaction going on. That's heat is released. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, and then now we're gonna take this reactions mixture, okay, in here should be completed. and we're gonna evaporate the water to collect the product, and we're gonna weigh it. Okay, so I'm gonna heat this up. I'm gonna put this on the hot plate. Okay, so if you follow me to the hot plate, and I want to do that in the hood because it's there might be some film left, some vapor. Okay, so I got a hot plate on. And so I turn on the heat gently, okay, for a few minutes, and then we'll crank up the heat to on the. This is the temperature of the. This is the temperature of the hot plate. Okay, so I put it at about 400. If it's not hot enough, we'll raise it up. If you have like a mixer, like a magnetic stir bar, you can turn on the stir and mix it, but we don't need that. Okay, water should evaporate very nicely. The rest is just water. All right, so after that's dry, I'll take a picture of that. Okay, this is nice and crystal clear. So we'll wait. It's gonna take about 5 to 10 minutes for all this water to evaporate, and we'll get us a product. Okay, and I'll take a picture, and I'll attach to the report that we need to do. Okay, thank you guys, and this video will help to finish up your report and calculations, writing equation, things like that. Thank you for watching.